In this defining moment, we honor perseverance, growth, and the drive to push beyond expectations. What began as learning from different places became collaboration, accountability, and shared determination.
Hello, everybody. My name is Mame Yatsiwa Adedankwa. I'm a commissioner of police and a former student of MSL.
Hi, I'm Elsie Togbo, an award winner for Paper 12. A friend recommended MSL Business School to me, and I really enjoyed my time at MSL. The structure there is very good, very flexible. MSL really breaks everything down for you to understand. I really recommend MSL Business School to anyone who wants to write ICA or CIT.
My name is Abdulwasiu Abubakar Sadiq. With MSL Business School, quality tuition wasn't an exception. It was a standard. If you are watching me and you're aspiring to become a chartered accountant or a tax practitioner, then your best bet is MSL Business School. Here, you are not only prepared to ace your exams, but also to practically apply the knowledge acquired. Thank you.
My name is Malcolm Mata, best student Paper 10 Strategic Tax Planning. I met MSL through Tax Law Unit on Twitter, and MSL has contributed immensely to my understanding of Ghanaian tax law and international tax law as well. My experience with MSL has been very fulfilling. Also, it has been nothing short of amazing. From comprehensive tuition to cutting-edge technology, I recommend MSL to anyone who is ready to begin their CITG professional exam or anyone who is continuing their exams. MSL, welcome to excellence, welcome to world class.
My journey with MSL started when a friend of mine that I was studying with came with uploads of MSL videos. And at that time, I had never heard about MSL. And then when we started our revision, that was about a week to the February examination. I realized that she had a better understanding of the whole thing. So I decided to join the MSL uploads. Unfortunately for me, for February, I didn't pass all the exams. I passed 2 and I didn't get 1. So I decided to go to MSL for the August one to write advanced taxation. But because of her understanding of the whole subject, I decided to register for all the 3 papers, even though I was writing for just 1. And now, if MSL allows me, I can even teach because I got a better understanding. And when I was writing advanced taxation, it was so easy for me. I did it, and I am a now proud tax practitioner. Thank you very much, MSL.
MSL Business School has shaped thinkers, sharpened professionals, and prepared capable minds who understand not just the skill, but the responsibility of showing up when it matters most.
Hello, my name is Richmond Etuya. My experience with MSL Business School made a CIT program from start to finish a seamless one due to the availability of the right materials, the use of technology that made things easier, and the experience of the tutor. I believe these were key factors that guaranteed success.
Hi everyone, my name is Janita Owusu Setre. Studying with MSL allowed work, studies, and family to coexist with minimal stress. I highly recommend MSL to everyone who has a busy schedule and also prefers an online class. Thank you.
Talk about an institution that is invested in your overall professional growth with excellence at its core. A high-tech learning environment where technology is used to shape students, making learning efficient and accessible. I'm grateful to have found MSL Business School. It shaped my way of thinking, how to always show up with excellence. I love MSL Business School.
Hello, I'm Rose Bewa. I received the award of the overall best students in the August 2025 DICE. And unfortunately, I wasn't in Ghana to receive the award. So my experience with MSL Business School has been very exceptional. Their tuition was practical, well structured, and the tutor in particular was not only professional and knowledgeable, but he was very patient and clear in his teaching and guidance. So a colleague and a friend of mine actually recommended MSL Business School to me when I started my CIT journey in February 2025. And interestingly, that colleague also received an award of the overall best students in oil and gas taxation during the February 2024 diet. So if you are planning on writing your CIT or ICA, I highly recommend MSL Business School because they are the best. And I'm a living example of that. Thank you.
As we capture the moments, honor the progress made, share our stories, and stand together, we recognize that the journey has redefined us. The journey continues. It is the rise of new possibilities. Welcome to excellence. Welcome to world class. We are MSL Business School.